Hello student, welcome in online lecture series. I am Dr. Baseb Tambe, Assistant Professor in KTHM College, Nasik. In this our subject, this paper number is GGUT 128 and subject name is Industrial Geography. First chapter is Introduction, and under this chapter we will study the several learning point. First learning point is introduction and importance of industry in Indian development. Friends, industrial geography is traditionally been defined as a study of the space, place and geographical circulation of industry. It is a sub branch of economic geography. You know that geography is divided into the main two branches, physical geography and human geography. Under the human geography there are number of branches as political geography, historical geography, economic geography, settlement geography, then population geography, and under this economic geography branch there are some important branches. For example, agriculture geography, then trade and transport geography, then industrial geography. These are three important branches. It means that industrial geography is the sub branch of economic geography and deals with the spatial arrangement of manufacturing and secondary activities. Industries under the secondary activities because it is manufacturing sector. Due to the transformation in the production system and the emergence of new kind of output, organization forms, distributive functions and new models of competition. It is increasingly more difficult and less meaningful and distinguish clearly between manufacturing and other forms of economic activity. It has been widely acknowledged that in order to roughly understand spatial arrangement of industrial activities, attention should be paid to the ensemble of a wide range of factors and particular the broader societal, economic, political, institutional and technological context in which industrial activities situate. In this introductory part, there are some important introduction about the industrial geography. In this sense, industrial geography encompasses not only the location of manufacturing or secondary activities, but also the broader process of structural change in the production of goods and service and various ways in which space, place and geographical circulation are part of this process. Some historical development of the industrial geography. You know that when the industrial revolution started in the European countries or Europe continent, at that time, before that, wheel revolution is the one of the revolution push up the industrial revolution. Before the formal industrialization of the discipline commercial geography, precursor of economic geography, which was formally established in 1882 by German geographer Gotz had conducted some rudimentary industrial geography studies and researched the cause and reason of economic geographical specialization, production of commodities, and movement of goods. However, commercial geography had been less an academic discipline than a tool servicing the European imperial project and providing practical knowledge and information about where place were located and the specific community where product to colonize state. Work of industrial geography conduct in the period such as George Chisholm Handbook of Commercial Geography was mainly written in the commercial geography style, filled with maps, tables, and industrial geographical facts. Chisholm in 1889 argued in his book handbook that the environment made each place unequally suitable to undertake a specific type of industrial activity. It means that after this introduction, we know that today in our Nasik city also so many industrial belt has established. These are some related to the agriculture sector, which are agro-based industry, some vehicle sectors, some chemical industry also attract towards Nasik because of suitable climatic condition, as well as some other factors also affect of location of industry in Nasik. And in India, you know that after the Tata, Jamshedji Tata, in the Jamshedpur established first iron and steel industry, and after that some important industries also established into the India. Some textile industry, sugarcane industry. These are sugar industry. These are important industry start into the India. And today we are today also we are dependent on the other countries for some machineries, some military weapons, and after that we are in good condition into the industrial development also. Definition of industrial geography: a branch of geography that deals with the location of industry, a geographic factor that influence their location and development, the raw materials used in them, and the distribution of their finished products. This is in this definition, geographical location of the industries, it is important thing. Then some geographical factors affect on the location and development of the industry. Some raw material used in this industry, in every industry, and distribution of their finished product. Including all those things, we make definition of industrial geography. Importance of industry in India's development. Before that, two important points are remain of this subtopic. This is nature and scope of industrial geography. We will study this point into the next lecture. Before this point, we start. This is another one sub point. It is importance of industry in India's development. Okay. Actually, secondary activities having a important role for every nation or development of the nation. Industries plays an important role in the economic development of any nation. Without industry, economic development is impossible. You know that, for example, primary sector, 1 acre area of agriculture. What is the annual income of this 1 acre? For example, one near about in near about 20,000 rupees in agriculture sector, but in same 1 acre area in the industrial, under the industrial belt, this production annual income is near about 10 lakh, more than lakh rupees. That's why secondary activities or industries are very important for development of the nation. Again, in the backward and developing economy like India, industries are indispensable of India, but there is also good scope for the development of industries in our country, because of our area is very wide compared to it means near about today's condition, near about more than 60% population depend on primary sector, and we have good scope for the industry. Development of industries is not indispensable of India, but there is good scope. India has many favorable factors for the development of industry. The various favorable factors present in the country for the development of industries, these are: the country is rich to natural resources. You know that we are good condition in mineral resources, as well as monsoon also come into the India every year in specific time. Forest cover area also very fruitful. We have good coastal area, long coastal area. That's why fishery activities is very important activity. And these are important. This required for the development of the industry. The country is rich in commercial crops such as sugarcane. Okay, Maharashtra, UP, Tamil Nadu, these are the important state for the sugarcane crop. Raw cotton, Maharashtra, Vidarbha, Marathwada are good region for the raw crop cotton. Raw jute, tobacco, oil seed, these are required for the development of the agro-based industry. Industries offer several benefits to the country. When there is development of industries in the country, there will be investment of large capital is for the modern machineries, high degree of specialization and large scale operations. As a result, there will be greater productivity of higher national income. Higher national income in turn will contribute the increase in per capita income. Thus, development of industries will contribute to the growth of national and the per capita income in the country. Industrialization create more and varied employment opportunity and thereby reduce the problem of unemployment and under unemployment in the country. Further, it can absorb the surplus agricultural labor and thereby reduce the problem to distinguish unemployment in rural area. That's why migration occur, because of this industry attract the laborers. Again, it can contribute the development of cottage and small industries in rural area. Industry will be promote agriculture development in the country in many ways. First, with the development of agro-based industry such as sugarcane, raw cotton, raw juice, tobacco, oil seed, etc. There will be more demand for this material. This in turn will encourage the development of agriculture. Industry will contribute to the development of tertiary sector, trade and transport, communication, banking, insurance. Development of industries will be helpful in maintaining a proper balance between agriculture, industry and the tertiary sector, which is essential for the all round economic progress of any nation. Development of industry will contribute to the expansion of existing industrial areas and growth of new industrial areas. Agriculture in India is not stable, as it is largely dependent on the vagaries of monsoon. On the other hand, industries are relatively more stable. Industrialization contributes the better utilization of natural resources like mineral, forest, fisheries, which the country has in abundance. Industrialization will contribute the expansion of the market for agriculture crop, mineral, forest product. Further, industrialization will be contribute to the expansion of the market for capital goods or producer goods like plant and machinery. Industries contribute to increase in the income and purchasing power of the people. Further, they make available to the people a wide variety of goods for consumption. Industries are indispensable for national defense, arms and ammunition, ships, aircrafts, tankers, etc. In this way, we studied about the introduction of the industrial geography as well as importance of Indian development of industries. Thank you very much.